Oh, what? I can make some cookies better than that. It's time to cook and Crackies cookies. I'm about to be cooking Crackies cookies. Let's go, Crackies.
Hey, I'm ready. You ready to make these Crackies cookies?
I've been making cookies all my life.
You've been making cookies your entire life.
You ain't seen my cooking videos? Pies, cookies, and the jail cell.
You need to make your dry ingredients first.
Okay, dry ingredients.
All right, dry ingredients.
Same way I used to cook up that white girl.
That white girl. I got both of these. I got both these white girls for you. Okay, yeah, don't put the whole thing in there.
Oh, yeah,
but
that's like
hold
a
on.
kilo size. I know about that scale, baby.
No, you don't need you to measure the entire
Ooh,
thing.
how many is that? 2 kilos?
No, change it to grams. You know grams, right? You gotta measure by the grams. Oh, look at him. He don't play. He don't play. Hold on. Woo! He went way over.
I know about that white girl, boy.
Whoa! Just grab a spoon. Just grab a spoon, you gunner. Dang. Just grab a spoon. Just a little bit. Just a little.
Yeah, I know how to mix that thing up, boy.
Hold on.
So
You gotta
250.
zero that out, big homie.
I needed you back in the day, man.
Oh, I know. Just be easy on that trigger, cause you got a little.
Okay.
Those guns, you know.
Oh, yeah.
We're good.
Oh, on the dot.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cooking cracky cookies.
Cookie,
cracky cookies.
Let's go ahead and add some salt. You know what they used to do with this spoon, right? Oh, that's one of them? Easy. I know how you are with the salt.
Okay.
3 grams.
There it is.
That's what I'm talking about. Okay.
My little sunny boy right there causing chaos.
Right
Salt Bay
there.
ain't got nothing on you.
No.
Salt Bay. Come on, man.
Okay. Let's see how you mix this thing up. Woo! Dang. You like that guy from Scary Movie 2 with that arm? With the little hand?
Now you get the hand.
Yeah, you see that? Hey, I'll hold it for you. You do the hand thing. You gotta have that hand.
Oh, the milk chocolate boy.
All right, I'm gonna tell you how much to put in. We can't let him kick in with that one.
Ooh. Okay. 425.
Don't tell him how many, man. One more chip. Ah!
I got a loose one. Show my fellow counterpart how to cook.
I'm showing you how to
Oh, no.
bake.
I'm cooking cracky cookies, boy. Let's see if I get it perfect.
Here we go. Do you know how much a gram is?
Ah,
That's what I'm talking about, dog. All right.
I know about that white one.
Oh yeah, look at that. I like the
rich
application. You okay?
What's next?
Grab the butter, man.
Oh, you're dark eggs. I see you know best, man.
Cube the butter.
Split
Oh,
it
this is a
down
nice
the middle.
knife.
I be splitting it down the middle. Oh, okay. Okay.
Look at my little chef skills. Chef Rush ain't got nothing on me.
I don't know how to cook no cookies, man.
You don't know how to cook cookies, man.
He might know how to bake them, but he don't know how to cook them.
No, come on.
He ain't really even got any credentials. He just made that up on the internet.
That's right. Wait, didn't he cook for Trump?
That's what he said. I ain't never seen no picture with him or their president. High five.
Chef Rush.
With the knuckles.
Chef
you gotta
Rush.
have knuckles.
Chef
You're
Rush,
too buff
dude.
to be a chef.
Put it in, coach. Oh yeah, look at that.
Dump it in there?
Yeah, dump that in there.
Cracky cookies, baby.
Woo, cooking Crackies cookies. Oh yeah, get it all in there.
Cooking is where it's at, baby.
Let's break this. No, not in there. See, that's bad. That's bad.
That's bad?
What happens if you cracked it in there and there was an eggshell that went in there? Somebody eat that, they
okay.
cut their throat, they bleed out and die?
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go.
Let's do it. Oh yeah, look at him. Oh, nice.
Okay.
You mixed some of that in, I'll mix some of this in. Oh yeah, mix that in.
There you go.
Look at that.
Just dump it or take
dump
the
it,
time.
dump it. Kind of work it in there a little bit, you know?
Wow! Yeah!
Just don't want to
Work it in there, baby.
Yeah, a good like even mixture. Make sure all the chips are in there. But look, it's like sticking to there, so that's how you know it's done. Grab some of that, man.
Outdated. Just Rush outdated. Here we go.
Look at this. Don't you wish your cookies just look like this?
Well, you know what they would do to you back in my heyday for this?
What would they do?
Lay down the whole family.
For how much?
About $1 million. This scale, Kali, goes hand in hand.
That's
okay.
You don't want to do this. Yeah, that's looking good. Whoop! That's on point.
Whenever you do something great, you gotta celebrate. Ooh, you heard that?
That's pretty good. You just like.
Oh, I thought you said we didn't do that.
Well, not roll. You just kind of clump it together.
Oh,
Bam,
okay.
there you go.
In the game, if you was a grandma,
oh,
they come back for you. See how we got the full 8. Oh, that's like a meal ticket right there, boy. I'm crazy about cracking little cookies.
You can pop these things in the freezer, man.
Y'all see it here. Cooking Crackies cookies. Taking over the world. You gotta do a big C. Yeah. Crackies cookies.
Oh, I don't know if you want to do that.
What's
it's like
that?
a gang sign or something.
Then you gotta do it like that.
That's great.
What, huh?
Yeah, keep doing that one. Oh, yeah.
2 hours later.
Just for y'all know, if you can say it 10 times without stuttering, we give you a free cookie. That's it 10 times. Let's get it. You eat these, you're gonna be in heaven. So here we go.
Oh my God. So that's the big boy right there. I made that one special. Look at that big boy.
Gotta put him up top.
Give him some room to breathe, man. Pickle placement.
Oh, don't say that. He gonna be ready to kill me. Chocolate chip.
Yeah, this classic chocolate chip.
But not classic.
Here, brother.
Yeah. They heavy too.
Woo. Well, let's close this so we don't lose this heat.
Oh, he wants some too.
11 minutes later.
You ready?
Let's
go,
go,
baby. Woo!
Hey,
where's the
hold on.
burn my
You
damn
need that.
hands?
I know, you need that, buddy.
You almost let me burn my damn hands.
Oh.
That's what friends are for.
Oh my God.
For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side. Cookie, cracky, cookie, cracky, cookie, cookie, cracky, cookie, cookie, cracky, cookie, cookie, cracky, cookie, cracky. So now I'll be trying Crackies Cookies Classic Chocolate Chip Cookie. Whoa. Oh man, it's time to go wild. Get some vein pumping pumps. You go to hyperlife.com. Get yours today. Yow! Wow. Oh. You want some too? Come have a bite. You want a bite? Come have a bite. Oh, look at her. Oh. Cooking Crack cookies, best cookies on the planet.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.